If you're trying to get the biggest Bluehost coupon code discount available right now, this is the offer you want to use before pricing changes again. Right now, Bluehost is offering up to 78% off hosting plans, a free domain name on annual terms, exclusive discounted pricing not normally shown directly on the Bluehost pricing page, and multiple plan options depending on the type of website you want to build. In this video, I'll show you how to activate the exclusive Bluehost discount, which Bluehost plans gives the best value, which term lengths gives the cheapest monthly pricing, which plans include a free domain name, and the exact discounted pricing currently available. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is go down to the description below and click the exclusive Bluehost discount link so you can activate the lowest pricing available. Quick disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning a merit commission at no extra cost to you. You'll still get the discounted pricing and exclusive savings. Once you click the link, you'll land on the exclusive Bluehost page where you can view the current hosting plans and discounts. Right away, you'll notice Bluehost offers several different plan options depending on your needs. The available plans currently include One Site, Starter, Business Essentials, and eCommerce Essentials. Let's quickly break down what each one is best for. The One Site plan is the cheapest option and is great if you only need one website. This plan is currently discounted up to 78% off with pricing starting as low as $1.99 per month. If you're creating a personal website, blog, portfolio website, or a small business website, this can be a really solid starting option. Next is the Starter plan. The Starter plan is currently discounted up to 70% off with pricing starting as low as $2.99 per month. This is a popular choice for beginners who want additional website features and flexibility while still keeping pricing affordable. Next is the Business Essentials plan. This plan is currently discounted up to 57% off with pricing starting as low as $5.99 per month. Business Essentials is a better fit for growing websites, businesses, or websites expecting more traffic and needing stronger features and performance. Then you have the eCommerce Essentials plan. This plan is currently discounted up to 68% off with pricing starting as low as $6.99 per month. If you want to create an online store using WordPress and WooCommerce, this is usually the best Bluehost option because it's built specifically for e-commerce websites. Now let's talk about the Bluehost term lengths because this is important. Bluehost currently offers 4-year, 3-year, 2-year, 1-year, and monthly terms. The cheapest monthly pricing typically comes with the 3 or 4-year term lengths. So if your goal is getting the absolute lowest monthly price possible, those are usually the best options. However, the 1-year and 2-year plans still provide really good savings if you don't want to commit for as long upfront. Now, one important thing to note is the free domain offer. You get a free domain name included with annual terms. So if you choose the 1-year, 2-year, 3-year, or 4-year term, Bluehost includes a free domain name for the first year. However, monthly plans do not include a free domain name, so keep that in mind while choosing your term length. Once you decide on the plan you want, click the select button underneath it. From here, Bluehost will ask you to either create a brand new domain name or use a domain you already own. If you don't already have a domain, this is where you can claim your free domain name if you selected an annual plan. Try to choose a domain name that's easy to remember, simple to spell, and related to your website or business. After selecting your domain, continue through the account setup process. You'll then reach the Bluehost checkout page where you can review your hosting plan, pricing, and term length. You'll also be able to review optional extras that Bluehost offers during checkout. Once everything looks good, complete your purchase. After checkout is complete, Bluehost will guide you through setting up your hosting account and website. One nice thing about Bluehost is that WordPress installs automatically for most users, which makes the setup process beginner-friendly. Once your WordPress website is installed, you'll be able to log into your WordPress dashboard and start building your site. From there, you can install a WordPress theme, customize your website design, create pages, add blog posts, install plugins, and fully build out your website. Whether you're starting a blog, business website, online store, portfolio website, or another type of website, Bluehost gives you a beginner-friendly way to get started. And again, if you want the exclusive Bluehost discount with up to 78% off plus a free domain name on annual terms, check out the link in the description below. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more web hosting discounts, WordPress tutorials, and website creation videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.